Inthunywa zeDA ebezidoswa phambili umrholi wayo uJohn Steenhuisen zifike zafumana abantu bahemile babathela ngeenyembezi basafika eofisini engelikhulu lomnyango wezangekhaya phakathi edrobheni leJwanisbhege.
I came earlier. I think 3:45. I was here 3:45 just for the application of the child. The child is in matric. I was told they are offline.
I have 3 months collecting my ID, but I didn't get my ID. Hopefully today I will get my ID, and I'm so happy you guys. You should be here every day.
Mhlapanje ke kwadosa phambili indaba ezimalungana nezehlakalo zokuguruzela ngokulwisana namaphandle anganamaphemithi asemthethweni wokuba seSouth Africa. Nanyana kunjalo, uSteenhuisen solo usola umnyango wezangekhaya.
People have to pay queue walkers up to 100 Rand just to secure a place in the queue. You wait from 4 in the morning, then you get told the system's offline. I'm told the system's offline now, and it obviously means that people can't process their simple documentation. People here aren't looking for complex things. It's identity documents.
Abadosi phambili beDA bathi iANC ayibahlogomeli abantu. Nakuphela nje iletha namatraka namhlanje njengombana izwile ukuthi iDA izobavakatjhela.
This is the first time that there is never a queue here. This is the first time that you see these trucks that are parked here outside trying to alleviate, the problem. Why? Is it because we are coming?
Umphathi weofisi uveze lakhe ihlangothi.
There are specific strategies that have been put in place, and constant monitoring is made to make sure that we are able to attend to these complaints as they come.
Umroke uthi lo mnyango usahlayelelwa ngezinye insetshenziswa bona ulethe isizo ngokupheleleko ebantwini.